I have been growing garlic for about 5 years. It seems my garlic bulbs get smaller each year. I'm going to cut my scapes off today to see if that helps. My question is, when do I harvest the bulb? When the leaves are brown? I don't want another bag of healthy plants that I don't want to have another big healthy plant that produces a small size bulb. Help.
All right. That comes from Ted. Thank you for the question, Ted. The best time to harvest your garlic is 3 to 5 weeks after you've cut the scapes off. We're talking about hardneck garlic. Or whenever the lower 2 sets of leaves from the ground up are dry or are dying back. That's the best time. And when we harvest our garlic, we set aside the largest bulbs, which will contain the largest cloves in which we will plant the coming year. The larger the bulb, the larger the clove. The larger the clove, the better opportunity the coming year. When you plant that large clove, you will have large